Hello, friends. It's Dawn Monroe. I was just working with a client and we were experimenting with some features that go between Teams and Excel and Microsoft Forms. And I really thought other people would benefit from this. Some of it I already knew, but they've added recently. So, what I will show you is that as you use a form and you start to gather responses, let's go ahead and collect a response on this one. Anyone can respond. Copy that link, and then I'll use an incognito window to fill that out. Let's go ahead and say we want to do pivot tables. So there we get a form response. And when I come back here, there is my response. Those are happening immediately, and if I want to open those in Excel, it gives me that moment in time. So whatever responses have come into that point, I can open in Excel, and there I can launch and see those responses. But this is not automated so that we keep getting new responses in here. What you'll find is that you are going to just get that moment in time. Well, some of you want the responses to keep rolling in, so every time you come to the worksheet, then the responses are there. So I'm going to show you another way to do it. And to capitalize on that, we're going to put that in Teams so everybody on the team can see it. So for instance, if I wanted to have a form that connects back to a team and the responses come immediately into the Excel, I'm going to start inside the team and go to New. You can start with an Excel workbook. That's one way to do it. But look, they added in forms for Excel. I'm going to go straight there today. And we will call this Testing October. Create. And let's see how this goes. It's building out a new form for us. Let's add a couple of questions. Text. This is a question. And add a new. We'll do a choice. You choose. And then we'll do choice 1, choice 2. All right, good enough. And then what we'll do is go ahead and collect responses here. And again, anyone can respond and copy that link. And I'm going to go out again to an incognito window and just fill it out. Sample and choice 2. Submitting that. All right, so now we've got a response on that one. So this time you can see that it's going to get stored right in our team. Let's open that in Excel. This is placing it within our team because that's where we started and started the file. And this is going to be amazing. It's going to keep populating those as we do them. Now I've got those two forms open. Let's do the test again. So the sample form, submit another response. This was the first one we did that was not linked. Not linked. Submit. Okay, and then let's do the other incognito form, testing October. This one we linked up to the team with the automatic responses. Submit another response. Going live. Choice here. Submit. Okay, now let's go see what's happening. Okay, there we go. We've got, there are the responses coming in live, and this is part of this team. Okay, let's go look at the first one. We've got responses there, This is, we can open it in Excel, but I don't think, unless they've changed it, this is going to be testing October. Oh, I opened the same one again. Hang on. There we go. Sample form. Open in Excel. See what's happening there? It's giving us that moment in time. Here it's adding a new one to it, but I have to force it. I have to tell it to open there. It's a difference. You're going to really love, love, love this. So again, just to start it out correctly, start with your team, new, forms for Excel, and then it will be auto-populating responses as they come in. You could do it this way. I'm going to do this. Another sample. Create. If I do it this way, you have to do one more step. There, this one shows inside the team. But you go to Insert, and in there, there we go. There's my form. You can make your new form in here. And this is the same as choosing forms from Excel in that list right inside your team. This will, again, let you make the form, and the responses will auto-populate to Excel directly as those responses come in, instead of the single download for a moment in time. I hope you like this one. Have an awesome day.